Hi, I'm Tequila Gallagher, and welcome to this quick tip information on Microsoft Word Online Tips for Students. You will need a Microsoft Online account or a Microsoft 365 account to experience these features. What I would like to show you here in Microsoft Word Online is how you can use the Dictate button or the Transcribe button to help life a little easier. Once you open up a blank Microsoft Word document, you will go to the microphone for Dictate, and you will see it says that it's listening, and as it's typing, as I'm speaking, it's starting to write down what it is that I'm saying. At any time that I'm ready for it to stop, I can just hit the stop button and it will stop the dictation. This comes in very handy for people that want to just talk things out. Maybe you want to brainstorm, and that way you don't have to worry about typing. Another great feature that this has is if you go here and you can actually do the transcribe button. What you can do with this, I use this for when I want to do closed caption audio. When you go to the transcribe, you can click upload audio. I am going to find an audio that I've done before. Open it, let it upload. And this normally takes a few minutes. Of course, the larger the file, the longer the audio transcribe will take. Okay, so now you see that it's transcribed everything for me on this audio. If I want to add it to the document, I just press the plus sign to add the section to the document, and it's going to add each one there. Again, the great point for this is that you can now copy that from your Word document if you would like to put this in for closed captioning on your YouTube videos or anything like that. The last thing I would like to show you using Word is how to transform a document that you've done into a PowerPoint or into a website. So if you're on Microsoft Online, you're going to open up whichever document you've done before. In this one here, I'm using one from a previous lesson. I'm just going to go to File, and then I'm going to go to Export. When I go to Export, we're going to first do it as a PowerPoint. It's going to bring up different options for you to use. We'll just select one here and then select Export. We're going to open this presentation, and now you can see everything that it has that I had written down in my Word document is now written down here into a PowerPoint for me. So this way I don't have to start from scratch, and I can edit these as I deem necessary. Now we can do it again, go to Export, and now we're going to transform it into a web page. This again gives you different options on how you want the web page to look. You can select it, select Transform, and then it's going to build you a Microsoft Sway, which is the web page for Microsoft. Again, it gives you a great basic navigation. For some reason right now this isn't coming up, my resources aren't coming up, but here you can see it gives you a great starting point without having to start everything from scratch, and then you can just edit as necessary. It gives you a navigation pane. So again, this is just a great place to start without having to reinvent the wheel. I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks,